Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to implement dark theme for our application and override them with switch in our application again. If we want to make a dark theme for our application, as you can see, the default theme is always white. If I want to add the dark theme, I should write theme here. I say theme data. Light theme data. I want to say brightness dot light. If I say it again, I have to put semicolon. If I want to make a dark theme, I have to say I want dark theme and the brightness is dark, and I have to add it to my material app. So I delete this theme part and I say theme is going to be light theme, and there's another thing called dark theme, and I assign dark theme to it. If I run my application again, if it checks with my operating system state. If it's dark, so it shows dark to us. I run it again. As you can see, it changes to dark. So we want to override this. We want to the user to choose if he or she wants dark or light theme. So I get rid of this page first. Okay, and I change this to be in a scaffold. So after I get rid of that, I want to implement my GetX library. I'm going to install page and I copy this and paste it in PubSpec YAML here, and I pubget it. After we finished, we can use get material app, which uses GetX material packages, and I want another thing. I want a boolean value final rxBoo is light theme, and I want to be false. Object I'm going to delete this. Okay. This Rx boolean helps us to update our application for being light mode or dark mode. To continue that, I'm going to make an app bar, title, text, dark theme using GetX. If I update it, we have to remove this. Okay, if I update it, yeah, we can see that. For our body, I'm going to have a center widget. Inside of it, I want the column main axis to be center, and there's its children I want object X to have a text, and inside the text I want to say click on switch to change to this value. I want it so the value, so if it's true, I want to say dark, and if it's false, I want to say to be light, and I want to say T. So this is our text on top of our switch, and for the switch I want to say I want object X value. I want to write data in it. I want to say I want to switch inside of my object X value. The value of it is light theme dot value, and for change that on change function of that, I want a value. Inside of that value, I want to say is light theme dot value to be this value. So we can see the changes, and for this I think I want false dot obvious. And for changing that, I have to say get from get package change theme mode, and is light theme dot value theme mode dot light, and if it's not, theme mode dot dark. Okay, let's bring this back to normal theme and run the application again. Okay, we have the application. And as you can see, it works with no problem. So there's a problem with our application. If I choose the dark mode and run it again, as you can see, it changes to light mode again. And we want to save this stage. So I add shared preferences package from installing page, and I say I copy this and I add under the get, and I run pub get. For that, I have to first save that stage and then return it. So I made an instance of our shared preference, future shared preferences, get instance. I think I misspelled it. Okay, I want a function for save theme status, to get shared pref await for pref, and pref.setBoolean with key of theme, and the value of is light mode dot value. And we want another function to return it. So I said get theme status again is async val is light, sorry, var is light ref dot then share it reference refs return ref dot get bool. I have to put this in another parentheses and add this to the end. And after I get that, I want to say my global variable is light theme, the value of it to be is light dot value. I have to say prefs, okay. And after that, I have to change the theme of application. Change theme mode to be is light theme dot value theme mode dot light theme mode dot dark, and then this. Okay, I want to save this when I change the value of the switch. So I paste it here, so it runs for that after that, and I want to get it when my application begin to work. So I say my app super.key, and inside of it I say get theme status. Let's see if it works. I want to put it in the dark mode, and I close the app and run it again. It doesn't work like that. I restart the application and it restarted to be light. There are some error here. I found out we have to write this before our run app command line. It makes sure all of the initial things like shared preference works before application is totally running. So now, as you can see, it works without problem. I put it on light and rewrite it again, rerun it again, it stays on the light. And if I put it on dark and rerun it again, it stays on a dark mode. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, give the like on the video. And if you want to watch some more video about mobile development, you can subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that.